Following the heavy defeat of the BJP-backed panel in the recent Tripura Bar Association election, former Union Minister of State Pratima Bhoumik visited the Agartala Court premises today to assess the political fallout.
While talking to the media, party insiders indicated that the high-profile visit underscores the BJP leadership's concern over losing its grip on influential professional bodies like the Bar Association.
কয়েকদিন আগে বারে নির্বাচন গেছে কোনো বিষয় নিয়ে আলোচনা হয়েছে কি আপনাদের যারা রয়েছে
আমাদের সঙ্গে মত বিনিময়
Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.